How to verify your YouTube account. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Google Chrome and search YouTube Studio. Click on YouTube Studio and then log into your account. You'll find this kind of screen pop up. On the bottom left corner of your screen, you will find Settings button. Click on Settings button. Then click on Channel, which is the second option. Go to Feature Eligibility. After that, click on Intermediate Features and then verify your phone number. You need to simply add your country and then your phone number. OTP will be sent to your phone number. Simply paste it and then it will show you your number is verified. In this way, as you can see, phone number verified. After that, you will find another option, Advanced Features. Make sure you verify this by adding your valid ID and your YouTube account will be verified. This is how to verify your YouTube account. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.